Construction crews working at Ground Zero don't have to go far to grab a bite to eat. You might call it the sandwich shop in the sky.
Yeah, the high-rise deli builds sandwiches while crews rebuild the World Trade Center. Fox's Peter Ducey has a closer look.
Most New York City sandwich shops are at street level, but one day this one will tower 105 stories above the World Trade Center site. A Subway sandwich shop was built inside these shipping containers at a steel plant about 45 minutes from Ground Zero. Now it's been moved to the World Trade Center site and fitted to a huge construction crane at Tower 1, formerly known as the Freedom Tower.
It's just as safe as anything on the ground. They have to follow all the same rules that all the other restaurants follow anywhere that they're built.
As the tower rises one story at a time, so will the sub shop. This way, hard hats won't have to go down to the street to get something to eat. Instead, they can get their sandwiches, chips, and drinks right where they work.
It'd be great for the guys that don't have to spend half the lunch hour coming down to the ground. They'll be able to spend more of the lunch hour relaxing and eating lunch rather than spending it on an elevator rushing back to work.
This will be one of New York's most exclusive restaurants. Only workers with access to the site can eat here. And as for the men and women behind the counter,
at some point we're going to be 105 stories up. It's going to be a long way down, so certainly no one afraid of heights should be working here.
Once, New York construction workers brought their lunch to the top from home. Today, lunch follows them to the top with an entire restaurant.
Hopefully it's very, very successful, and we'd like to be a part of duplicating this throughout the country and the world.
Right now, the Subway in the sky is only about 160 feet off the ground. But by December 2011, when they're expected to be done with construction, it'll be up near the top of Tower 1, which will be 1,776 footlongs tall. In New York, Peter Ducey, Fox News. When they're expected to be done with construction, it'll be up near the top of Tower 1, which will be 1,776 footlongs tall. In New York, Peter Ducey, Fox News.